Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like
y'all want the tea? Y'all want the tea? Keep watching.
you can't be replaced.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ari back at it again with another video. If it's your first time here, make sure you stop, take a second, go down below, click the link below to subscribe and hit the like and notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. Alright, so let's just get into it. So today's video, Isee hair. Alright you guys, so if you guys see me looking down or anything, it's just because I have my phone right here, and let me open it up to my little note thing. So this is Isee hair, as you guys can see right here and on my head. I ordered this hair June 24th. Oh yeah, first things first, this video is not sponsored. So if it's not sponsored, I ordered this hair June 24th, and I'm gonna put all the specs and everything on the screen. I ordered their 20-inch 13x4 lace frontal wig, 150 density, hair type Mongolian. And on the page there is an option for you to choose what type of lace you want to, like you can put your little comment and things. I'm gonna put the thing here. You can put your little comment in the box. So in the box I put shipping, FedEx, just see if we get here any faster. And also lace, I chose transparent. That I think was a dub. Y'all could probably see, since y'all clicked on this video, y'all see the first thing that's on my head is a twilly. I took a twilly off my bag and put it on my lace. There's a reason for that. June 29th. So it came pretty quickly, but I did go out of the country. So I didn't wear the hair. I didn't feel like taking out my locks at that point. So I didn't put the hair, I didn't install this hair. I want to say, so I installed this hair on July 5th. And today is the 15th, and I've been wearing it consistently since the 5th. I haven't taken it off my head. I took my locks out, and then the little twist that I had, I just laid them flat and put this in there. So I'm going to insert a video and everything like that of the package. When it first came, it came wrapped in like some bubble wrap, and then you take it out, and this is the box. And inside of the box I got 2 wig caps, the actual wig, a headband wrap thingy-majiggy thing that you use to wrap your lace, lay your lace down with, as well as some lashes. So that was my little box. I paid $206.36, and that's with their discount. Some discount I found. If y'all don't use honey, y'all should use it. That's not sponsored either, but just trying to save y'all some coins. So let's get into how the hair wears. So when the hair freshly comes out of the box, it does say on their website, when you look up the hair, I'm gonna leave the link and everything down below, it says that it's pre-plucked. This frontal, excuse me, is not pre-plucked at all. Okay, it is not pre-plucked. You have to pluck this frontal. I did pluck the frontal. I would show y'all the sides, but I didn't even lay down the sides because, oh, you can't even see it. Because first con, I'm just gonna get into the cons real quick. Cons, the lace. I ordered transparent lace. I don't know if I should have gotten like the medium brown lace instead, but the transparent lace is a dub. It does not blend at all. The lace is not super thick, but it's not super thin. It's definitely not an HD or Swiss lace, which they don't advertise it to be, but transparent it is not, at least not for my skin tone. So I am gonna go in and attempt to dye the lace, tint the lace or something. I do need to go in and bleach my knots a little bit more. So I'm just gonna do all of that. After I finish with this video, I'm gonna snatch it off and get all that done. Marquise, this is the NARS Soft Matte Foundation, and this is my actual shade. So this is my shade. If you are my shade or maybe deeper, maybe even a little bit lighter, I wouldn't go for the transparent lace. Like I said, it's not hard to lay down the lace. That's not the issue. The issue is to blend the lace. I might expose myself, maybe, so stay tuned. On to the actual hair. When I got the hair is very soft. The hair is still very soft. I did go in and shampoo and condition the hair because I did bleach the knots as soon as I took it out the packaging. I inspected the hair, saw that it was not pre-plucked, went in and bleached, well, bleached by knots. Didn't bleach it long enough, but that's cool. I'm gonna do that for a separate video so you guys can see that whole bleaching process, because I am gonna add highlights to this hair because it is very pretty hair and it does take color pretty well. So yeah, one of my favorites. I actually prefer to use the Moisture Luxe one on my extensions or on my wigs or whatever, but this is the only one that Target had at the time and it works pretty well as well. Curl Hydrate, I just went in with that. These two things, water and this is the, what you call this thing, foam conditioner from Eden Body Works, my bad, Eden Body Works. And I just use that and go through and define the curls. The curls define very well to the front. Like I said, it's 130 density. So for me, or is it 150? I think it's 130 because I felt like 150 would be too much for me. So this is 130 density, which is not bad at all. And it's not a thing. I literally, just before this video started, I went through and I just put some water in it, put some of that conditioner on it, and it's giving it a little bit of hold. Nothing super crazy. The curl in the back, I found that it's a little bit tighter than the curl in the front. And I use air quotes because they call this kinky curly. I actually have kinky curly hair. I do find that the ends, you need to define the ends a lot. Like more, you need to focus on the ends a lot more. They're not dry or anything, it just takes a little bit more to define those ends. So I end up going in with, this is my pattern brush. There we go, this is my pattern brush, and there is hair in it because, like I said right before this video, I went in and I detangled my hair. That's another thing, shedding. Now listen, it's curly hair is gonna shed. It's just like your own hair. I hope you guys are not going like attacking your own hair on when it's dry. Make sure you only like comb through or brush your hair, even finger combing your hair when it's wet. Do not do it when it's dry. That is a recipe for disaster. You're gonna have hair coming out in clumps. It's going to drag your hair out of your scalp. So imagine what it's doing to hair that's just attached to some wig cap. You know, it's gonna come out crazy, you guys. So please don't do that. Make sure you guys are using water. So now, just to say about the shedding, like I said, it's been 10 days. So I'm gonna go through right now. And so let me clarify, I have brushed it. I brushed it like 6 days in. I went in and like redefined my hair. So this is basically 4 days. So let me clarify that. So this is how much shedding I've gotten. And this is from my entire head. This is both sides of my head. Okay, this is trash. Ew. So now my brush is clean. Brush is clean. It's not excessive. It's not coming out in lit clumps. I don't have any bald spots. So I'm thankful about that. Now, next thing. Like I said about this closure. This, not closure, I keep calling it closure. This, because the reason why I say closure is because it's like literally basically a closure, because it says 13 by 4, right? So you think you would get 4 inches. Where does it? Here we go. So this is how much parting, this is how much space I have, which is the 4 inches, but it's not all the way around. Like all of this is not frontal. Okay, the frontal on the sides and here. So this is all the frontal space you have on the side. It's like 2 inches. It's literally cut in half. The rest of this is all tracks. And another thing, the density is great, but I found that right here in the middle, I noticed that if I don't pick this part out, if the tracks lay too flat, you can literally see through. I hope y'all can see this. Really see it. So y'all see here at the top. So y'all can see this is where the frontal ends, right here. And this is where the tracks start. So y'all can literally see through. There it is, perfect. Y'all can see through. So what I've done is just comb the hair and I didn't pick out the top. So if I don't pick this part out, you can literally see right through. would I recommend this hair? I recommend the actual hair itself. It's very pretty. I don't know if I think they do actually sell the bundles. I don't know the quality of the bundles, just, you know, to say that. But I will say that it is really nice hair. Is it worth the $200? You pay for what you get, but I've seen better for $200. So I wouldn't say you need to rush out and go get this hair. You got $200 and you feel like, I want to see what it's about, then that's really up to you. But personally, I'm not going to tell you to go buy this hair. It's not like top 10. It's not top 5 for me at all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for your time. I appreciate it. You know I do. Make sure you like, follow, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok. I'm gonna put them both here. Follow me on Pinterest. I got all my links down below. But make sure you guys have a good day. Thank you guys so much for watching again, like I said, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.